I was struggling to describe what this budget was going to be called. I was thinking about it there in detail, but effectively it's the cup of coffee budget. Minister, if you could wake up there and maybe show a little bit of attention. I'm sorry you're left here on your own now. There's another single member of government, imagine. There's another one here. You're saved by the other minister. But it's the cup of coffee budget. Because effectively, for people of my age, and indeed your age, living around the country, when you take the mortgage interest relief reductions, when you take the increased commuting costs, when you take the childcare issues, which still aren't being addressed, 20 million for childcare, lads, 20 million. It's paltry by what is needed. So really, Chairman, it's the cup of coffee budget. The cup of coffee is what you get from this budget, right? But in all seriousness, in all seriousness, it's wiped away by the extra costs of living that we all know about. So effectively, particularly people with families, with children, because of the excessive costs, people around the conurbation around Dublin who are commuting into Dublin, this is actually a negative budget for them. And actually, if you look at the changes in relation to taxation and income tax, this is actually a regressive budget. These are regressive moves. If you look at the changes in relation to the thresholds and in USC, you will actually see the more you earn, the greater benefit you're getting. So those on the lower incomes are actually losing out.